Start with a magic circle and chain 2. The chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 15 half double crochets. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of this first half double crochet. Chain 5. One slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one. One single crochet in the next stitch. One half double crochet in the next stitch. And in the last stitch, make one double crochet. Now skip the next 2 stitches. This is the stitch we have worked into, 1 and 2. Skip these 2 stitches and in the next stitch make a slip stitch. Now repeat the same, chain 5. One slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. One single crochet into the next stitch. One half double crochet into the next stitch. And in the last stitch, one double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches. This is the current stitch, 1 and 2. Skip these 2 stitches and in the next stitch make a slip stitch. Now repeat this until the end. Chain 5. One slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. One single crochet. One half double crochet. And finally a double crochet. Skip 2 and a slip stitch in the next stitch. Now continue with the stitches. Make the last point. And finally finish off with the slip stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.